Hello everyone, I apologize for my absence. I'm so busy and have practically no time for creativity. I'm always available. You can not only write on YouTube, but I'm also on Facebook where you can chat with me and offer your ideas. Today I decided to make plaster coasters with decoupage from a napkin. I unfold the napkin and place the blanks on it, as the edges are ribbed and can ruin the look. So I place the blanks closer to the center, where the pattern is more pronounced, trace around them and cut them out. I apply the first coat of varnish to the dry plaster blanks. I use a glossy one, but matte is also acceptable. I apply a thicker coat, as the plaster absorbs the first coat immediately. Since the napkins are 3-layered, we remove 2 layers and leave only the thin colored one. I apply a napkin to the workpiece, smoothing it out carefully. I'll apply 3 coats of glossy varnish, alternating the order and direction of the brush. After the varnish has completely dried, I use liquid gold leaf. I highlight the uneven areas with a gold pattern, or you can just use gold leaf. I'll also cover the edging of the coasters with gold. Thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe to the channel. You can also support the material and the dream using the link in the video description.